How to choose the right oil to extend engine life. Just like what blood is to us humans, engine oil is to a car engine. It is responsible for a plethora of functions inside an engine. Most prominent being reducing friction, cooling, dissipating heat and aiding fuel efficiency. We already know how important it is to change the engine oil periodically. The science behind engine oils. You must have seen a bottle of engine oil with 15W50 or 20W40 or something else written in a similar pattern. Well, these are not just random words and numbers, but there lies some clever science behind this. This is the grading scale specified to the engine oil by SAE, which stands for Society of Automotive Engineers. This reading describes the viscosity of the engine oil, which in an automotive context means a fluid's capability to withstand deformation inflicted through stress, wear and tear. In simpler terms, viscosity refers to the thickness of the engine oil. A highly viscous fluid will be thick, whereas a low viscosity oil will be runny or thin. Alright, with all the definitions sorted, it comes to be as simple as this. When the engine is cold, the oil inside the engine is in highly viscous, which is thick and firm. But, when an engine is under use, that same oil develops a low viscosity state, which is when it becomes thin and flimsy. When you cold start an engine, you are starting with a heavy or dense engine oil. That same oil becomes fine and runny once under friction-induced heat. Explaining the grades of engine oil. 15W50, 5W30, 20W40, 10W30. Let's break it down and have a look at it. As we all know, engine oil is graded keeping viscosity in purview, which is notated with the familiar XWXX. For instance, let's take a closer look at 20W50. Here 20 stands for the rating of the oil at 0 degree Fahrenheit imperial or 17.8 degrees Celsius in metric. It means that the oil must have a specific maximum viscosity flow at low temperature. The W following the number stands for winter, not weight. The lower the W number, the better the oil's cold temperature, cold start performance. The 50 in a 20W50 means that the oil must fall within certain viscosity limits at 100 degrees Celsius type high temperatures. Once again, the lower the number, the thinner the oil, like a 30 oil is thinner than a 50 oil at 100 degrees Celsius, etc. You may have also seen API scribed onto the bottle, which stands for American Petroleum Institute. The API rating of an engine oil covers the performance rating of the oil, e.g. SM for petrol, CF for diesel. Similarly, ASEA is a European industry body of European vehicle manufacturers. The ASEA rating of oil covers the performance rating of the oil, e.g. A3, B3, C3. JASO, or Japanese Automotive Standards Organization, is the grading system designed specifically for motorcycle engine oil.